Hey, to take screenshot on the Windows 11, first of all, you will have to go for the taskbar and click on the Windows button, open Start, then go to the settings. Now you will have to navigate to the gaming and click on the captures. From here, be sure that you turn on this switcher, and now you will have to click on the Windows logo key, Alt and the G together to open the screenshot program. Now to capture the screen, we'll have to click on this icon, and the screenshot was taken. Now when I click on it, I can open file location. I have to click continue, and now I can open my screenshots taken with this tool. There's also a second method how we can take the screenshots by using the sniping tool. So we have to go for the taskbar, click on the start, then on the search you have to input sniping tool phrase. Now just open it. That's how it looks. We get another shortcut, that's the Windows logo key, Shift and S. When we click and hold, when we click these three buttons together at the same time, we've got this selector. We can select any part of the screen by holding left mouse button and dragging like we want. And now the screenshot was taken. Also, we can do this by clicking on the new button. So you can do this one more time, but after this you will be able to quickly edit your screenshots. So you can draw something, copy text, or for example change aspect ratio. And after this you can just save by clicking right here on this button or using Ctrl and S shortcut. You can also quickly print or open the screenshots folder from here. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.